Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. This vehicle features an 86 kilowatt hour battery producing 286 PS. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this example is finished in the lovely metallic paint colour Starlight Blue. Some other exterior features include IQ LED matrix headlights, and this ID Buzz also features the 360-degree cameras. In the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. The ID Buzz sits on a set of 20-inch bi-colour alloy wheels, and moving towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find privacy glass lining the rear windows. The ID Buzz also features a powered tailgate, as well as a rear view camera and a set of rear parking sensors, helping you park with maximum confidence. Opening up the powered tailgate, you can press the button on the tailgate or it can be operated from the key fob. Behind the tailgate we'll find a fair amount of storage space, as well as a few Volkswagen cargo boxes. Over on the left hand side we'll find the electric release for the tow bar. Moving into the rear passenger area, there are two seats that can be folded flat or removed entirely if required. In the middle passenger area we'll find a 3-seater bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration, as well as a twin power sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. The middle seats can also be folded flat, and moving up into the driver's cab area we'll find two singular seats, both with twin armrests as well as a heated function. Between the front seats we can find the Buzz box, and in the centre of the dash there is a colour touchscreen multimedia system that includes inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.